Alright, good day. Wherever you're seeing this video from, I'll be teaching in this short video on how to trade your dogs on bybit exchange. Now you can see this is bybit. So once more, congratulations if you farm dog using your Telegram wallet. So mine have been distributed, but today is not the day for trading. I just want to use this video to teach on how to trade, because this very project dogs may be the first project for some newbies and they don't know how to trade. And tomorrow, when it will be listed properly for trading, only people that have experience of trading that will benefit more from it. So I'll be using my DOP as an example to trade, how to trade dogs for tomorrow. So this is what you will do. What you have to do, remember you are in your assets. First of all, confirm that you have your dogs in your spot wallet, like as it is here. This is spots. This is spot. Sorry, this is spots here. Confirm your dogs is amongst the coins in your spot wallet, just like this. Then you go to spots. Now you go to spots here. Spots down here. Look at it carefully. Look at spots here. Look at spots. You see home, you see market, you see derivatives, you see sports. You ensure you are on the sports tab, because the trading tomorrow will be at spot market, not futures market. So for a quick sell, look at this screen very well. It is very busy. You can see buy, you can see sell. This is buy and sell. This is buy, this is sell. I'm on the sell tab now. Tomorrow we are going to be selling dogs because we already have it. We received it via airdrop. So tomorrow we are going to be selling. Now, if you look very well, you see here it is showing DOP USDT. I want to use DOP 1 USDT for example, because dogs is not yet available for sale. So I want to use this for the example. Now, how will you place your dogs here? Let me say, for example, it was already on another coin. Let me say it was already on X. How would you select your dogs? You come to this particular button here, this particular place. Click on it and you search for dogs or anyone you are using. Now I'm going to be using DOP1 because I have it inside this exchange. So you select it. You select DOP against USDT. Now this is it, DOP1. Look at it carefully. Now there are two type of DOP here. There is DOP in the spot market. There is DOP1 in the USDT perpetual market. But this is going to be DOP1 under the spot market because we are going to trade it for spots. So don't make mistake tomorrow and choose dogs USDT perpetual. Maybe by then they have not listed it, or so. That's not the market you want to trade in, first of all. So you select DOP1. When you select it, it will appear here for you, as you can see. Then the next thing you have to do is ensure you take it to the sell tab. This sell, you go to sell, click on it, sell. Then you look carefully, look at where limit is here, limit. By then your dogs, your available dogs will be showing in this spot here. Your available dogs, you'll be seeing all of it here. Now limits. Limits here, this place that is showing limits means the type of market you want to trade it. A limit, you want to set it that when the dog's price get to $1, you will sell. When it gets to $2, you sell. So it's basically setting a time frame for where you will sell. But we are not going to be doing that because the coin is just listing and majority of people will be selling immediately, which will cause the market price, the volatility to dump on you, and the value of your dogs will reduce. So you have to sell too. Maybe later you can buy back if you want to. So you select this limit and place it on market. When you select it to market, look at this place here. It's very faint, but it's there. Look at here, it's showing QTY. It means quantity, the quantity of the dogs you want to sell. Now I have 62,588. I might want to sell all. So you can do you can select how many you want to sell by sliding this stuff here. This is a slider. Look at it carefully. You hold the yellow spot, you take it, slide it to 100%. Now as you can see, when I slid it to 100%, it's showing 561, the same thing as my available DOP. Why I'm using DOP as an example, don't forget, don't go and be looking for DOP1 in your exchange tomorrow. Instead, look for dogs and do all this for dogs. Then immediately you have set it to, remember this market condition is very important. Let here be market. The next thing you do is you select all, like I just did, the quantity to be all. Then after that, you click on this button here, this sell button. Immediately you click sell, all of it, maybe they will ask you to confirm. Let me try this. Okay, this prompt will pump up for you to confirm it. The next thing you do, you click on this sell here, this sell, and you sell everything. Me, I don't want to sell this, so I'm just using this video as an example for you tomorrow. Get ready. So this is how to sell using bybit on the spot market. So ensure you practice this so that tomorrow you won't be hindered by what you did not know. These are basics. You have to sell by yourself. Maybe nobody will be available to guide you through, so this video will help you. Thank you once more. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share with your friends. Thank you very much.